Hi students, even today we are going to discuss about the regular expression validator control. Okay, so we have already discussed in validator controls, we discussed range validator, compare validator, then required field validator, and this is a fourth validator control, which is regular expression validator control. Okay, and these are the contents under which we are going to discuss this control. Right, actually regular expression validator is, it will check the format of a particular data such as phone number, email id, pin code, etc. Right, for example, for phone number we have to, nowadays for mobile numbers we have to enter 10 digits, right? So if we enter 11 or 9 digits, it should not accept. That's a wrong entry. The same way, if we enter a mail id, it should be in a format like username at domain. Okay, so if we enter only the username, it should not accept. That is not a correct format. Okay, and pin code also, the pin code should be of 6 digits. If we enter lesser or greater than that, 5 digits or 7 or 8 digits, it should not accept. That is a wrong entry. Okay, so these data, it will check whether the data are in a correct format or not. Okay, so regular expression validator control is one which checks the format of the data entered by the user on the web forms, right? So now, it is it. These are the properties of a control. Usually we see ID, which is the identifier of the control. Then control to validate is the control that it validates. Then display, the display setting of the control, it will be static or dynamic. Then error message, we set the error message to be displayed when the form is executed. Okay, whatever error message that we give, that will be displayed. Then run it, usually we'll give server, because it is a server control, we give the value for run it as server. Okay, then the validation expression, whichever expression we check or we validate, that will give. For email id, there is a separate expression. For pin, there is a separate expression. For credit card number, there is a separate expression, and so on. So the corresponding expression will set in that particular validation expression, right? So this is the coding. This we discuss later. Before that, I'll show you the output. This is the output. See, phone. Then beside phone we have a text box. Then under which we have a submit button. Okay. So to this phone number, to this text box, we'll give some text. Okay. If the text or the phone number is in the accepted format, it will be accepted. If it is not in a correct format, it will not be accepted. We'll get the error message. So that is how we are going to write the coding. See, phone, then we have a text box whose ID is phone. Okay, then we set the regular expression validator beside the text box. Okay, right, so this is the validator, regular expression validator. ID is REV phone. Then control to validate is phone. Okay, so phone, the text box phone, it is going to validate. So on that only we are going to enter our input. So that is a control to validate. Then display, as I said, is dynamic. Then validation expression. See, in this phone number we have to give 3 digits, then a 3 digits, then a 4 digits. So that is how it is given. 3 digits may be of, which is of 0 to 9 digits. Okay, then another 3 digits that may be of 0 to 9 digits. Okay, then another 4 digits. So this is the format of the particular phone number that we are going to validate in this particular coding. Okay, okay, if not, it is in the correct format, we'll get the error message. Phone number format must be XXX, then 4x. Okay, please try again. If the format is not that, it will get the error message. Okay, so that is all. And we get the screen like this: phone, text box, then a validate button. See, we test the regular expression here. We give the phone number in a different format, in a wrong format. So we get the output. See, 555 we have given, and the output we got was phone number format must be XXX hyphen 4x. Please try again. So the same error message that we have given in our coding. Okay, right. So for the wrong entry, we'll get the error message. It will not be accepted. Okay. When we give the right entry, see here, 555 1212, that is the correct format. So if we give that, will get the message, you can be reached at 55555 It has been validated, checked right, so it is accepted. The data is accepted. So that is all about regular expression validator. Okay, and I hope you students understood what regular expression validator of the ASP.NET framework is. And thanks for watching. Thanks for understanding.